and then you'll see a short video.
Okay.
And alhamdulillah, I'm satisfied by the videos you have sent me. Lean, I'm waiting for your video. That's it.
Okay.
Please try to do in the weekend and send it to me.
Miss, yesterday I did before yesterday, or I did the flashcards
Very good.
for this.
They look lovely. Great here, Malak. Can you just read out all those vocabulary terms for me loudly?
Okay. Chlorophyll
Hmm.
and cellular respiration and photosynthesis.
Great. And you understood the three terms perfectly?
Yeah.
Now, girls, today something there is very interesting for you all. All right. Can you see the picture here?
Yeah.
What can you see? If I explain you about the chloroplast, I explained you about the chloroplast and I explained you about the photosynthesis, right?
Yeah.
Now, today we'll start with a new thing that is called as cellular respiration. We are going to start with something new that is called as cellular respiration. What is the difference between photosynthesis and cellular respiration? What do you see here, girls?
Here I see six carbon dioxide and
12 hydrogen. Don't say
12
water, it is hydrogen. 12 hydrogen and 6
and six oxygen.
And see, girls, here you see sugar, starting with sugar. In photosynthesis, did you start with sugar?
In photosynthesis, no, we don't start with sugar.
What you start with?
Sugar.
Yeah, we start with carbon dioxide and water and sunlight.
Water and sunlight.
Here you start with sugar, opposite, girls.
Yeah, it's opposite.
Carbon dioxide and water, which were the reactants, that becomes the product here. Carbon dioxide and water will be produced. In photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and the water you need to add. The plants were receiving carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight to produce sugar and tell me, what did it?
Sugar and oxygen.
Yes. Lean, can you just briefly explain me the process of photosynthesis?
Okay.
What did plants receive to give what?
They what?
Plants, they take
H2O2.
louder, H2O, water.
They take carbon dioxide.
Yes. They take water, they take carbon dioxide and
Sugar.
sugar. Do they take sugar, Bateen?
Yeah.
Yes, Lean, do they take sugar?
Miss, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Lean.
They bring out sugar.
They give out sugar. This is what? Remember those arrow marks, Bateen. You must know what comes in and what goes out. What comes in is carbon dioxide, water,
And water and sunlight. And what goes out is oxygen and
oxygen
water.
and
Sorry, oxygen and sugar.
sugar. Okay? So this is what I have taught you till yesterday about photosynthesis. Now today, when we will study about cellular respiration, it is exactly the opposite. It is exactly the opposite. Now, let me show you here. See the screen here on the white, or see this equation. C6H12O6. This is nothing but sugar molecule. This is nothing but sugar molecule. I'll just write here in words first. Sugar plus oxygen. This is taken up by the cell. To give out, I'll just put a It has to be an arrow mark. I'll put a line here. Or
Miss, do we write them?
what?
Do we write it?
You can write it below in your textbook. Sugar,
Okay.
oxygen, and it gives out. What does it gives out? What does it gives out?
Oxygen. Oxygen.
1 minute. I told you cellular respiration is just opposite to photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, you started your reaction with water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. Here, you will start your reaction with sugar and oxygen. With
sugar and oxygen.
What was given out there will be taken in here. Again, what was given out in photosynthesis, you will take it in the cellular respiration. You will start your reaction with it. Sugar and oxygen will give out all those things. Tell me now, what will it give out?
It will give out carbon dioxide.
Yes, carbon dioxide and
water.
Water,
yeah, water.
And
sunlight.
Instead of sunlight, that was heat energy, it will give out chemical energy. What will it give out? Chemical energy.
Chemical energy.
What is that chemical? It's ATP. It is called as ATP. You remember I told you to remember to grade 5 when you were studying with me? Eddie.
Yeah.
Eddie. I told you, remember a name called Addie? Addie. No. Yeah.
Triphosphate.
What?
Triphosphate.
Excellent. You can recollect what you have studied in grade 5.
Yeah, triphosphate.
Triphosphate. See, for grade 6, you don't need to learn the full form. You can just know that capital A, capital T, capital P. But mashallah, girls, you are smart. You must know what is it. ATP. Adenosine triphosphate. Okay.
Like the endoplasmic reticulum is ER.
That is ER. That is something else.
Yeah, this is ATP.
Latin. That is something else. That is the organelle of
cell. Yeah.
Okay? Anyways. Okay. Now, till now, do you all know the formulas of carbon dioxide?
Yeah.
Yes. Let me, 1 second. Let me move my... Yes.
Okay, I'm going to close my book.
Come on. What's your name? Lean?
Yeah.
Formula of sugar molecule. Try, please, girls. Sugar molecule. Tell me the formula for sugar molecule.
Sugar molecule. It takes in...
1 minute. Lean will say me. Wait. Others, please wait. Yes, Lean?
Yeah.
Can you say me the formula for sugar molecule?
Okay. Carbon.
Yes.
Carbon and water.
Yes.
Water.
Not water, it is hydrogen, oxygen. Okay.
Oh,
yeah. 6 carbon, 12 hydrogen.
Carbon, 12 hydrogen, 6 oxygen.
6 oxygen. That is, you will say as C6H12O6. You will say as C6H12 and O6. This is called as sugar molecule. Okay. So, will you be able to write the equation of cellular respiration by your own? You will start, instead of carbon dioxide and water, you will start
with sugar and oxygen.
What was produced there? You will start with that in cellular respiration. Okay? So tell me the reaction. Sugar molecule and oxygen.
And it releases carbon dioxide and chemical energy.
Excellent.
And
It will
also
give,
water.
yes, it will give chemical energy. Oxygen? No, not oxygen. It will give chemical energy, carbon dioxide, and water. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. I am taking a lot of time to explain this lesson, and I'm going very slow because this is very important for higher grade. You will again study in grade 8. If you want to be a doctor or if you want to choose something for science, you will again and again study this lesson about cellular respiration. Where do cellular respiration take place? Like example, photosynthesis take place in the chloroplast, but cellular respiration take place in mitochondria. You will learn this today. When I ask you, where do photosynthesis take place? You will say in the chloroplast. And when I ask you, where do mitochondria take place? You will say in the where do cellular respiration take place? You will say it is in the mitochondria. Okay? Okay, girls?
Okay, Miss. Okay, Miss.
Now, when sugar is broken down, energy is released. When sugar here, in the start, it is broken down, energy is released. It is stored in a molecule called, this energy is stored in ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. It powers many of the chemical reactions that enable cells to survive. What is it doing? It is letting the cell to survive. The process of breaking down food, because what food means here? Sugar, girls. The process, because food contains sugar. The process of breaking down this sugar to produce what? Chemical energy, that is ATP, is called cellular respiration. Now come on, quickly tell me the definition, 3 of you, one by one. The process of
cellular
down
respiration.
sugar. The process of breaking down sugar to produce ATP. Come on, tell me. It's written here, but you say one by one.
I said.
Yes, okay, Malak.
It takes in. It takes in when it.
First, Malak, tell me.
First sugar and.
No. Tell me that the process. Say with me. The process break.
The process break down.
Food that is sugar molecule.
Food, sugar.
To produce ATP.
To produce ATP.
Okay. Do you understand Vateen and Dean perfectly?
Yeah.
Okay. You know what is the important question always asked in the test? What are the products of photosynthesis? What are the products of cellular respiration? Products means which is after the arrow mark. Product means what is produced. So Vateen, if I ask you what is produced in cellular respiration, what is your answer? What are the products in cellular respiration? What is your answer?
They are releasing
Tell me.
Miss, I didn't understand the question.
Vateen, listen to me again. Product means something what comes out. Product means what is coming out, what is releasing, what is producing. All these words, releasing, producing, coming out, that arrow mark outside. So what are the products of cellular respiration? Who will say me this answer?
What is the question, Miss?
What are the products? Products means what is produced, what is given out in cellular respiration.
It's giving out, it's carbon dioxide and
water.
Carbon and water and chemical energy.
Do you understand, Vateen, now the question?
Yeah.
That means what are the products, girls? These are the products. These are the products. In a reaction, after the arrow mark, whatever you see, these are called the products. These are called as products. These are called as reactants. Anyways, leave that. what is given out are called the products. Okay?
Okay.
Lean, if the question comes, what are the products of photosynthesis? What is your answer? What are the products of photosynthesis? What will you answer?
For photosynthesis,
Yes.
um, uh, um,
You remember what comes out in photosynthesis?
what comes out in photosynthesis?
Wait, my love. Let Lean answer. Lean. Wateen.
Yes, miss.
What are the products of photosynthesis?
The CCO.
What was that? What was that? C6H12. What is that?
What?
What is that? What is that called?
The CCO, the carbon.
Sugar. That's sugar, Wateen. I think I need to explain again. Allah. When you cannot answer, I feel confused. Wait a minute. See, Wateen, this is photosynthesis. And this is cellular respiration. Tell me the equation here. Tell me in words. Water plus carbon dioxide.
Plus carbon dioxide plus in sunlight.
1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, sunlight. Okay. Sunlight, okay, plus sun gives me sugar.
Sugar and oxygen.
Okay. So, yeah, Habibi, if I ask you, what are the products of photosynthesis? What is coming out? The answer is sugar and oxygen. If you want to say me in the equation, you can say me C6,
Yeah.
H12O6. This is sugar. C6, but you will say me sugar. C6H12. 1 second. I'm so sorry. I will just directly write without making small. C6
C6H12
O6. It is not the correct way to write. You know very well that I have to write 6 as small.
Yeah.
C6 and
the
O2.
6 plus 6 H2O.
Yeah, 12H2O. Yeah. Now see here. Water plus carbon dioxide will give me sugar and oxygen. If the question is asked, Lean, Wateen, or Malak, tomorrow again I'm going to ask you on Sunday, what are the products of photosynthesis? What is your answer? What are the products?
Products, sugar and oxygen. Sugar and oxygen.
Lean and Wateen.
Yeah.
What are the products of photosynthesis?
Photosynthesis, water.
What are the products? No. The question will be not what is photosynthesis. The question is what are the products? Products means
Sugar and oxygen.
products means coming out, or it means what is releasing or producing. Okay. Now, tell me cellular respiration. Come on, Lean.
I know.
Malak, you are perfect in this now. Come on, Lean. I want you to say me cellular respiration. I will start with sugar, water again.
Oh, sugar, water.
Sugar.
Water.
No, oxygen. This here, the product, it comes to the left hand side in cellular respiration. In cellular respiration, this comes here and this comes there. Understood?
Oh, okay.
Sugar and oxygen gives me. Tell me, sugar and oxygen gives me.
Cellular respiration.
Yeah. What it gives out? Sugar, oxygen gives me water and carbon dioxide. And which energy? Which energy? Here it was sun's heat energy. Here it is chemical energy.
Chemical.
Chemical, which is called as?
Energy.
Which is called as ATP. So what are the products in cellular respiration? You will say water, carbon dioxide, chemical, ATP. What are the products of photosynthesis? You will tell me sugar
and oxygen.
Okay.
Okay.
Here, products of photosynthesis. 100%. This lesson is there in the quarter test, and surely I will ask this question. What are the products of photosynthesis? And the other question, what are the products of cellular respiration? Sugar and even grade 10 you will get this question, girl. This is such an important topic. Products of cellular respiration means water. What are the products of cellular respiration? Product means what comes out. Product is always this, girls. After the arrow means it is called product. This is producing. Like example, if I make tea, I put water and I put tea bag. What comes out? It gives me tea, right? That's the tea.
Yeah.
Like that. Cake, chocolate and flour. And what it gives me? It gives me chocolate cake. So what is the product? The chocolate cake. Like that. Water and
carbon dioxide and chemical energy.
Very good. Now tomorrow again, Sunday, if I'm asking you questions, please don't be quiet. Answer.
Okay.
I will not. You see, I again explained everything today from the beginning. You know that. But did you understand more well?
Yeah. Yeah.
Either you take the picture of this or you copy it.
Okay, Miss. Miss, so we memorize it?
What, memorizing it? Of course you need to, but I explained you so that you understand. I have plant, I put water, they take carbon dioxide, they take sun, they give me oxygen. I am, yeah, and for me, cellular respiration, I'm taking in oxygen and I'm eating food which break down sugar to give me ATP inside my body. Got it? Like that. Relate and study, girls.
Okay, Miss.
Shall I erase this?
Yeah. Yeah, Miss.
All right. Please put a star mark to the mitochondria.
Okay.
You see mitochondria. What will you remember? Will you remember photosynthesis or cellular respiration?
Cellular respiration.
When I talk about photosynthesis, what you must remember? About chloroplast. Because photosynthesis occur in chloroplast. And cellular respiration occur in mitochondria. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
Some of the energy produced during cellular respiration is as heat. However, much of energy produced during cellular respiration is transferred from ATP. ATP can be carried out throughout the body. When ATP is broken down, the energy release is used for cellular activities. The steps of cellular respiration can be summarized by following equation. The equation is sugar and oxygen gives me carbon dioxide, water, and chemical energy. I'm sure now you all know about the equation. This is very simple. Chloroplast, what does it use? What it takes in? Chloroplast, what takes in?
The chloroplast take green pigment called chlorophyll and capture
Yes,
the
but listen to
energy
me.
from sunlight.
In photosynthesis, what is in?
Where?
In photosynthesis, you know,
Yeah.
photosynthesis is chloroplast, it acts as chloroplast. So what takes in photosynthesis? What is going inside?
In the photosynthesis, sugar and oxygen.
Allah, Allah. Photosynthesis. What does plant take?
Plant take carbon dioxide and
Yes. So that's
water.
chloroplast use carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. In photosynthesis.
Yeah, and she give out oxygen and sugar.
Yes. And that oxygen who uses? The mitochondria.
People.
People, or you know, the cells, our body cells.
Yeah.
Mitochondria. In the mitochondria, it used mitochondria. And then again it produced carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is taken up by the plant. The plant produce oxygen. Do you see the cycle here?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Carbon dioxide used by chloroplast. Chloroplast produce oxygen. Then this oxygen is used by mitochondrion. That is us. The cycle goes on. And then by Sunday we have I have finished the lesson today. I will start with a new lesson on on Sunday, inshallah. Meanwhile, you need to write this. I will send you the picture here. How was the lesson, girls?
Easy.
Easy, but difficult to answer, right?
Yeah, not difficult, but I'm scared. I'm scared if my answer is going to be wrong.
Wait a minute. And I have been teaching you from grade 5. Never get scared from me. Honestly speaking.
No, I'm not scared from you. I know if I did wrong, you're going to teach me again and again and again. Yes. till I understand. But yes. Like I want my answer to be right.
Okay.
Okay.
I've sent you even other pages. I will send you the answers.
Miss?
Yes.
I just need to do something. Okay. Do I do like a video like last time about cellular respiration?
Yeah, Malak, that is something extra, mashallah. I love it if you are doing regularly. See, even Vateen, she's making notes regularly. I've seen her. Wonderful. You are making vocabulary cards and videos regularly. Wonderful. Girls, I appreciate that. You don't know how much you're learning. You're learning so much in such a small age. When you see other schools and other girls, grade 6 girls, they don't do so much. So I'm happy. I'm happy that you're doing in such a good way. And because you all are very less in number, I give you a lot of time.
Yeah.
Like instead of asking questions to 10 girls, I ask only 3 girls. So you all are really lucky and mashallah. Have a great day. Have a great weekend, girls.
Thank you.
Questions?
No, thank you.
No, miss. Alhamdulillah. And I hope I'm
gonna do one miss
for you. And I hope I will make more interesting for you in the coming for the coming lessons.
Thank you.
Welcome. Bye-bye. Happy weekend.
Happy weekend.